Okay guys, so this is Ethereum. Now Ethereum already hit our target price. Okay, so for Bitcoin we actually have the head and shoulders, right? And then after that we're looking for market to retest here, which for Bitcoin reference versus the Ethereum reference. Okay. Okay, actually they are moving in a very small correlation here. Okay. So you can see what this was the previous head and shoulders pattern. Down here was the shoulder. This whole thing is the entire head. Okay, let me just clear this. Okay, this is the shoulder, this whole thing is the head, and this is the other shoulder. Okay, so it looks something like that. Now the market already hit the target, the structure level here. Okay, so this is Bitcoin reference. Okay, now for Ethereum reference, okay, the head and shoulders is actually very ugly. Okay, and then the market hit the price point already. Right now it's creating double top here. Okay, I will expect the market to come down now. Okay, and the reason why is because of the rising expanding wedge. Okay, you can see a very nice rising expanding wedge here. Now there are cases where the rising expanding wedge fails lah. Okay, that means it still breaks up. Okay, but this is hard to say whether it will break up or not, but more likely than not I don't expect it to break upwards lah. Okay, so it should go down to this price point again, 2300. Now should it break lower than 2300, then we will be going bearish for a while. Okay, that means we will be looking at price fall to this level somewhere around here. Okay, here to here, this range here, and why here is the key level. Okay, which has not been tested, hence that is the potential where Ethereum will fall. Okay, so let's do a Fibonacci retracement to see whether we are actually looking for a potential drop or not. Okay, now you could start your Fibonacci here or here, really depends on how you see it. Okay, I will move my time frame to daily, okay, so that I can get the best time frame here. Okay, so this is where the impulse started. This is my low point. Market retraced to 0.618, so now is at important level. If it breaks above the 0.618, okay, then the next level is here. If it breaks above this, then of course we are looking for an upside already. Okay, we're not even expecting the market to go back down, come back down. But if the market rejects at this point here, and then it goes lower than this point, meaning to say that we dropped somewhere around here, for instance, right? We won't be expecting the market to go up from here. That means we won't be expecting the market to go up from this point and go up. Okay, it is very unlikely. Okay, possible still, anything is possible in trading, but it's very unlikely. Okay, you can see that the market is overbought on the daily time frame, so I would expect Ethereum to fall. Okay, I would say it should drop something like that lah, basically. Okay, it could possibly drop like that, or just do a drastic drop. Okay, but why am I doing it this way is because if I'm gonna mirror the patterns, then all this is like there, right? So this is what I'm looking at. This point here is somewhere around here. Okay, all this is very ugly lah, but sorry, this whole stretch here is this whole stretch here. Yeah, so this whole stretch here is this whole point here. You can see this is the center here, okay, right? So I should be looking at market to test to 1150, around that level lah, to 1400. Okay, and since the market is overbought like crazy, it should plunge lah.